Zero Rust is a corrosion-resistant coating that provides the ultimate protection on new or old steel. Zero Rust is a single-component technology that is easy to use and significantly outperforms competitive products. It's a quick and simple process that provides the long-lasting results you need. Make sure you have a wax and grease remover to clean any steel that may have oil or grease residue, a hand wire brush or a wire wheel attachment on an angle grinder to prep the surface, a rag, air blower, or vacuum to remove loose rust, a reducer solvent to mix into the Zero Rust product, and a mixing container, a sprayer for application, eye protection, a dust mask, and an organic vapor respirator for safety. Now, let's get started. Cleaning the steel is key to making sure Zero Rust performs as designed. Thoroughly clean the steel of any oil or grease using a wax and grease remover. Next, remove the rust using a hand wire brush and an angle grinder when needed. Be sure to wear proper protection. Clean off all remaining dust and loose rust with a rag or air blower, and then wipe it down with the wax and grease remover again. Zero Rust is heavy-bodied and may require thinning with a reducer solvent before applying. You can apply Zero Rust straight out of the can when using a brush, roller, or airless sprayer. Make sure to apply Zero Rust in a well-ventilated area. For best results, apply Zero Rust in 2 coats. Aim for 3 mils wet coverage per coat. Avoid over-applying. Once the first coat is complete, allow at least 30 minutes for the solvent to flash off before applying the second coat. When applying the second coat, use a crisscross pattern from the first coat to achieve uniform coverage. Wait at least 24 hours to handle or to apply a top coat. Clean up with MEK, xylene, lacquer thinner, or VOC-exempt solvents where needed. For more information on Zero Rust, visit usezerorust.com.